We're back in another bathroom. We have the solar nightlight in this bathroom. So we're gonna go ahead and take this cover plate off, the nice fixture. You can see the solar nightlight running right now. We have the top of the dome covered. We're gonna remove this lens here. Now that that's removed, we can remove the light bulb if you need to. It just spins right out. Or we can remove the solar nightlight itself. Notice how easy that was. It just slid straight up. There is a nice fixture inside there that allows you to secure it. And if you need to replace the batteries, they're very easy. Just 2 rechargeable AA batteries. And it does tell you right on this side there what type of batteries to utilize. You can see here is where a lot of the magic happens for Solatubes, in the actual reflective material. This particular tube, you can see all the bends that it makes. We're gonna slide the solar nightlight back inside there. Look at that, the lights are operating. Just goes right on either side and slides straight down. And now we have an operational solar nightlight. We're gonna go ahead and put the rest of this back together. Again, you're just gonna take this guy, make sure that the tab itself, there's a little, almost like a piece of tape, little plastic tab. Make sure it is down and accessible for you for the next time. I mentioned we're gonna put a little spray. We're gonna spray this a little bit, so I'm just gonna take the glass cleaner that we have here, along with our microfiber towel, and just wipe that down. These lenses can be a little heavy, so be careful as you're putting it up. And then you can take and slide it into the tabs and spin it. That's it. So the nightlight actually is operational right now. You can see behind me I do have daylight out. We do have a towel over the dome. So that's what's giving the nightlight a little bit of light there. The nice part about the nightlight is it's not so overpowering to where it's really bright at night. You get a nice little warm glow inside here. And the benefit out of that warm glow is just so as you're walking into this area, you're able to see your footing. And that's very important, especially as we start aging. I notice talking with my father, family members, they're up and about later in the evening, maybe early in the morning, to come to the restroom, and that nightlight itself allows them to be able to walk sure-footed. So that's very important for us.
That's Byers.